Good morning, everybody. Once again, it is calibration time. So from our last episode, a few things have changed. Number one, we're switching the crop to barley, so everything we did in the last episode needs to be done again. Because that's farming for you. Sometimes plans change and you lose a bunch of progress on things. So drill's got to get recalibrated, but the good news is it is actually going to be seeding, well, we hope so at least. We're within about an hour maybe. So let's get seeding some barley in the Missouri Breaks country. Well, you think we can make it?
I need a hammer. What is this strange creature? This is no sandstone. I suppose this is like a survey marker or something.
I guess you never know when you're going to discover something new. Here we found a survey marker. This appears to be concrete. It's not very easy to tell, but that's kind of what we're thinking. That thing goes down a ways. It's a survey marker that marks the field boundary between us and a neighbor, because there's no fence line or anything here. It's just field straight up to field. So, interesting stuff, for sure.